Did you know the world's greatest art heist was pulled off by two fake cops in just 81 minutes? March 18th, 1990. Boston's Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum sat quiet during St. Patrick's Day celebrations. At 1:24 in the morning, two men in police uniforms knocked on the door. They told the lone security guard they were investigating a disturbance nearby. The guard, trusting their badges, let them inside and stepped away from the panic button. Big mistake. They immediately handcuffed him and his partner. For the next hour, these thieves walked through millions of dollars in art. But they ignored the flashy pieces. Instead, they knew exactly what to take. Vermeer's The Concert, paintings by Rembrandt. Specific masterpieces worth $500 million. They cut canvases right from their frames and loaded everything into their car. 81 minutes later, they vanished into the night. 34 years later, the FBI still hunts them. $10 million reward. Still unclaimed. The perfect crime remains unsolved.